Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove gel polish from your nails. It's going to be a super quick and easy way, no foil, no damage. So the first thing you're going to need is a nail file, or you can also use an e-file. This is totally optional. You're also going to need a little container, a cup, or something to dip your nails into, and you're going to need acetone. I got this one from the dollar store. The next thing you're going to need is something to scrape off the polish after soaking it. I like to use this tool at first, but the ultimate tool I got at the dollar store, and it's this thing, I don't even know what it's called, but this little round edge over here is so good at taking off the polish, you'll see. And we're good to go. So we're going to set up our towel here so that we can make a mess confidently and have something to catch it. And the first thing we're going to do is file the first layer of polish. What this is going to do is create a porous surface that is going to absorb all of the acetone and help dissolve the polish faster. I like to do this very lightly, and you can see here, I'll show you the difference between the nail that has been filed on the right and the nail that hasn't been filed on the left. One is shiny, the other one isn't. That's exactly how you want your nails to look. But I'm also going to show you how to use the e-file. I'm not a professional, but I've managed to learn this myself. I just put the e-file on the lowest setting just to be safe, and I file down the first layer as I did before. I highly recommend this e-file. It was about 18 bucks on Amazon. It cuts my time in half, and after you get a hang of it, it's a little bit intimidating at first, but once you learn how to use it, it's a lifesaver. As you can see here, they almost look exactly the same, except my thumb on the left took me half the time to do. For the sake of this video, I'm going to file some of my nails with my actual file and some of them with the e-file, just so that you can see that you can work with what you got at home. So if you don't have an e-file, it's all good. You can still do the same thing I'm doing here. Once your nails are good to go, you can soak them. So grab your little bowl or container, whatever you're using, and fill it up with just enough acetone to cover your nail beds. Acetone can be very drying to your skin, so don't fill it up all the way. I like to set up a timer for about 5 to 6 minutes, and once the timer is done, that means that the nails are ready, or the gel polish is ready to be removed. So now is the time to grab the tool and start scraping away very gently. You don't want to take away your actual nail out. You just want to scrape off the polish. This tool, like I said, is so good. I love it. I don't know why I'm raving so much about it, but it's so good at removing the polish. And as you can see here, I'm being super gentle. There will be some stubborn parts like this one, but don't worry, you can just re-soak that for another minute or 2 or 3 minutes. It all depends on how thick your nail polish is. As you can see here, after soaking, my nails look so much cleaner, and just don't mind my boyfriend, he decided to tell me that I missed a spot, but they'll look so much better after soaking them a second time. This step is totally optional. If you don't have the e-file, you can use a buffer, but I like to buff my nails out on the lowest setting. And this is what your nails are going to look like. There's going to be minimal damage, but if you want to take it the extra step and do the manicure, I have a video just for you where I show you how to do your manicure at home. My nails look so beautiful afterwards. They look super strong and healthy. So if you want to learn how to do that, here is a video just for that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Until the next time, bye!